7 kitchen design mistakes to avoid. A kitchen can look modern and still feel disappointing. That happens when the wrong choices are made. Good kitchen design is not only about expensive materials or stylish cabinets or a beautiful island. It is also about function. It is about comfort. And it is about balance. In this video, we will look at 7 common kitchen design mistakes. These mistakes can quietly ruin a space, even when everything looks good at first. We will look at layout, lighting, storage, materials, and warmth. These details make a real difference.
Mistake 1. Bad layout.
The first mistake is a bad layout. A kitchen should support movement in a natural way, but in many kitchens, the sink, stove, and fridge feel disconnected, or they feel awkwardly placed. When the layout is wrong, the kitchen becomes frustrating to use. It may still look nice in photos, but daily life inside it feels less comfortable and less efficient. A beautiful kitchen should not only look good, it should also work well. Mistake 2. Poor lighting. The second mistake is poor lighting. Lighting changes everything in a kitchen. It changes how clean the space feels. It changes how warm it feels. It even changes how expensive it feels. One harsh ceiling light is rarely enough. A well-designed kitchen usually needs layers of light, ambient light, task light, and softer accent light. Without that balance, the space can feel flat, cold, or overly clinical. Mistake 3. Too many materials. The third mistake is using too many materials. Too many finishes can make a kitchen feel confused. Different woods, different metals, different stone patterns, glossy surfaces, matte surfaces. When too many elements compete, the room loses clarity. A calm kitchen usually feels more controlled. Fewer materials, chosen more carefully, often create a much stronger result. Mistake 4. Wrong proportions. The fourth mistake is getting the proportions wrong. Sometimes cabinets feel too heavy. Sometimes the island is too large for the room. Sometimes upper cabinets visually crowd the space. Even good materials cannot save a kitchen if the proportions feel off. Balance matters. The size of each element should relate naturally to the room around it. Mistake 5. Not enough storage. The fifth mistake is not planning storage properly. A kitchen can look clean on day 1, but if there is not enough practical storage, clutter appears very quickly. Once the counters become crowded, the whole kitchen starts to feel smaller, busier, and less refined. Good storage is not just about hiding things. It protects the visual calm of the space. Mistake 6. Ignoring warmth. The sixth mistake is ignoring warmth. Some kitchens are too focused on looking sleek, polished, and minimal. But without warmth, they can feel sterile rather than elegant. Warmth can come from wood, from soft lighting, from natural textures, from muted colors, or from small details that make the space feel more human. A kitchen should not only look sharp, it should also feel inviting. Mistake 7. Choosing trend over function. The seventh mistake is choosing trend over function. A trend may look impressive now, but if it makes the kitchen harder to use, it becomes a bad choice over time. The same is true if it is harder to clean or less comfortable to live with. The best kitchens are not the ones chasing every trend. They're the ones designed to age well and to support everyday life beautifully. That is what makes them feel lasting. So, what makes a kitchen feel right? Not just style, not just price, and not just trends. A great kitchen works well, feels balanced, supports daily life, and still creates warmth and clarity. Very often, avoiding the wrong choices is more important than chasing the perfect ones. Because in kitchen design, what you remove can matter just as much as what you add.